Well, the holidays are all about family traditions, from crafting to cookies. Our next guest, she does it all. Our DIY expert, Vida Urbonas, is here. Always good to see you, my love.
Good to see you, hon.
She's joining us now with her family traditions, making Lithuanian ornaments.
Yes.
This is beautiful. I mean, it's like a craftsman.
It's amazing. So all of these, the ones you're seeing here, were made by Adele Mikalavichus, and her family let us borrow those for the segment. So this is if you want to go crazy wild out. We're going to show you how to start. You just get some straws, some white straws. This is a tradition that we did in our family since I was a child, and I want to show you some video because we had a Lithuanian craft party just recently at a friend of ours' homes, and that's where I got this idea, like, we have to share this with our folks because it'd be great to do. Now, at the Yarash's household, they held this Lithuanian Christmas ornament making party, and it was so much fun. My daughter Grace was working with my dad and my mom, and she just wanted to keep making it all day. So we decided we wanted to show you how to make this. So
and you did this as a child growing up too.
Yes.
All right, show me. How do we get started? What do we need to do?
So here we go. So we've got Lila showing us how to do this, and if we can continue with that video, she was going to show you a step-by-step instruction, but if not, I can just show you right out here.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so we started with this. I started out with 3 of these. I'm going to push this one back. And hers was kind of sped up, so if we can pull that back up, we can show you, and it could really kind of speed it up for you. But right here, you're going to tie it off, use some really heavy-duty string.
That makes like a little triangle.
It does.
So you pretty much just threaded it through the cut straws.
You're going to cut your straws about an inch and a half, depending, all the same size. So I'm going to have you pick it up from here and start adding onto it as well. So you're going to add 2 more.
Okay.
We're just going to do our simple.
There's the video right there. We're showing it again. So walk us through it as you do.
Okay, so we're going to keep going after we show kind of all the folks at the Lithuanian party gathering right there. And she's going to kind of walk us through with the original straw. So it's hard to find the original straw, and it's even hard to find kind of some of the, paper straws as well. But so there you go. You start out with your straws. You start out with your big needle with a big hole in it and a really thick string. So there she is. She's starting out with that triangle that we were showing you, and then she just starts adding on kind of 2 at a time, and there we go, and just kind of looping it back through. If it doesn't go right where it is, see how she sticks it up, into the straw, and then just kind of continues, and she's going to make this beautiful diamond piece. And this is a good one just to kind of get started with. But then, as you saw these other ones that we made, it can just expand from there. So see how she's putting that last one in?
Yeah, and I like that you can paint the straws, the pieces ahead of time. Just spray paint them whatever color you want.
You can spray paint them. You could also go out. I went to the store and found some some paper straws in different colors. There's some silver, there's some polka dots. Now she finished it off by adding at the very end just a little piece of straw on the end, and then that was it. And then just decorate your tree. You could do one a year, and it's just like good memories because it gets a family together. You can turn off the TV, you can turn off the gadgets, and you can do this during the holidays.
Quickly, what other, we have about a minute left, what other family traditions do you have?
Well, we have, I don't know if I've shown it to you guys, but I have shown it on 9 News, the Lithuanian Easter eggs, which I also have, I think we have on 9 News somewhere. I'll have to dig it up for you, but those are beautiful. So, and just the group that we were working with when I was little, we did Lithuanian folk dancing. They still have the Lithuanian community here, still does the Lithuanian folk dancing, the school.
Speaking of family, I just want to point out this amazing picture of your mom when she was a child. Point out which one your mom was, and that was when they were making the ornaments too.
Yeah, so when she was young in Chicago, Chicago has a very large Lithuanian community. That's my mom right there. When she was younger, she was a teenager. This is at the Chicago Museum of Science and History, and they have a massive tree in there. And in the past, I don't know how it does now, but it's won, awards every year because it's just so beautiful. And again, it brings you back to that farmhouse decor. You just set up little white lights.
This is such a great idea. Thank you. As always, I'm going to give the information on where you can find the step-by-step instructions on how to make these wonderful handcrafted ornaments by subscribing to her YouTube page. Simply search for The Parenting Channel, all one word, The Parenting Channel, all one word, no spaces. And you can also find more crafting and baking ideas on our website, cookcraftkids.com.